In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable Steam family sharing so that others can actually access your library. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first, go ahead and open up Steam. Actually select the Steam name up in the top left, and from here, go ahead and select Settings. Now, from the sidebar that's going to go ahead and pop up, you're going to want to find this little Family tab. Go ahead and choose it, and from here, you can either go ahead and create or join a family group if you haven't already done one. In my case, I went ahead and selected create, and after doing so, you'll have the option to go ahead and select manage your Steam family. Go ahead and choose that, and from here, it's going to pop up with a page that looks like this. Now, what you're going to want to do is actually invite your family members on here. Now, to do this, you do need to be friends on Steam. Just hover over your name and select invite member, and then you'll be able to search from your friends list, and boom, you'll be able to invite any of these people just like so. Just make sure you have them added and you'll be good to go. And once they do actually accept your invite, go back to your family settings and actually go back to your family settings, and it should say they are now a part of your family, and now they'll actually be able to play games from your Steam library. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.